Hey, to use Magic Editor on the Google Pixel 8a, all you have to do is just open your photo. So in my case, I'm gonna open the last photo taken with my camera. So I have to click here. This is the photo of the banana. And now if I want to edit this with the Magic Editor, I have to click on the edit. And now I've got this information right here. So when I tap on it, I will be moved into the Magic Editor. So I have to click to backup now. Now just wait for the uploading. There we go, and here we are. As you can see, we can tap, circle or brush to select the arena that we want to actually magically edit. Let's say that I want to adjust this part of the photo, and let's see what we will get. Okay, we got actually some remove. Let's try to hold it. I can move it like this, okay. Drag to move, pinch to resize. We can resize it. Okay, so first when it's actually selected, we can actually move it like this. We can resize, we can make it even smaller. There we go, let's move forward. Now it's actually generating something from my photo. Okay, let's see what we'll get and how many photos we'll actually get. Okay, so this is actually the first photo, the second. Okay, that's weird that everything looks the same. Yeah, that's super. This is actually the original photo, and this is a photo with editing, so it's actually a little bit bigger, but everything looks the same. So maybe it's not working perfectly, or I just did something wrong. But yeah, this is actually how we can access this function, and that's how we can use it. Then we can click here on the right bottom corner and try to generate one more time. Okay, so that's how it looks. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.